I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you got a lot of chopping, shredding to do, you got to get something that's going to help. And this NICKSTOOL 26-in-1 vegetable chopper did definitely help. I found it easy to store in our cabinet, and I really appreciate the container that's underneath it. It actually came with these cut-resistant gloves and honestly gave you everything that you need to stabilize whatever you're cutting. You also have a spiral cutter, an egg separator, multiple handles, slicer shredder blade options, cleaning tools, and a variety of chopping blades. You just place the basket in the container, and then on the top you can choose to put a chopping blade or a slicer shredder blade. You have a hinge press that's designed to push the different vegetables through the chopping blades. You can do tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and the basket makes it convenient to mix and take out of the container. It's easy to install the shredding blades. You just press it down. It's going to be nice and snug so that you're able to slide over. You can also change them out really easily by pushing them out. This did such a good job shredding the cabbage. It also comes with a peeler. You could then use this to shred your carrots. I loved this. They were the perfect size for my salad, not too small. I also like that basket. So when you're chopping tomatoes, it actually separates the juice from it. So you're not going to water down your salad. It also has a slicing chopping block, which was great for my mini cucumbers. And the spiral slicer is great if you're wanting to make veggie lasagna, anything like that's going to need noodles. And everything is very easy to clean, especially with the brushes that they give you to get down into those hard to reach places. And when it's all clean, you can just put it away and use it for the next time. And that's my point of view.